Hi guys, so October 26th was my birthday and I had a day of me time, just spoiling myself. And because I need some motivation to get back on here, I decided to record a short clip of how my day went. I also want to show you guys some of the activities I do when I'm outside, so I guess I try to do a little bit of it and get myself used to it so I can be able to do more of it in the future. I had a rich, hearty breakfast with just pancakes and eggs. So for lunch, I went out and got one of my favorite dishes, which is sushi. A whole pan of seafood boiled for the birthday girl. And then made myself a huge plate of seafood boil. I've been meaning to make that forever. So with no shame, I show you guys how I just sat there and ate my face off. So it was just a day of being excited and being happy to be alive and well in all shape and form. And I'm so grateful to be here. So I hope I can make a few more of these videos. I guess I'm trying to get used to vlogging or just bringing you guys out with me on some of my activities. I hope you like this video and I will see you in the next one.